How to share a list on Google Maps. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share any list you want on Google Maps easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Google Maps. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top here, click on those three lions and then click on your places. And here you will find your lists. Now if you want to share any list you want, all what you have to do is simple. Click here on those three dots and then click on share list, and you can now copy the link or you can share it here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.